I'm Ed Kaminsky, and welcome to 409 3rd Street here in Manhattan Beach. One of Manhattan Beach's sand section's newest homes, and created by Berne, a phenomenal architect. So welcome to 409 3rd Street. Come in, take a look around, and let's see it from a couple different perspectives today. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
As you guys know, we're in the entry, and I know, Amber, when you were staging this home, what was one of the things that you first noticed when you walked into this home?
Well, actually, this beautiful chandelier. It's like nothing I've ever seen in this house before, and the way we have the floating stairs and this open space highlighting the chandelier, it's like a work of art, and it was interesting to design around that and to try to bring in art pieces and furniture that would highlight it and not detract.
You know, really what I want to see, especially when I get your opinion, especially as picky as you are about so many things, Robin, I want to go upstairs and really see the showpiece of the house and how it lives and get both your views on what you see up there.
Let's go up.
Let's do it.
I love this room. I mean, I walk in, it feels tall, it feels open, it feels fun, it feels welcoming.
When I walk up here, the first thing I saw was this kitchen. And if anyone that knows me, I love to cook, and all I could see was entertain and party on this floor.
Absolutely.
I have to go to you, though, as a mom. You got 2 little kids running around. How do you see this space working for you?
Like you, I'm the one who cooks in my family. So here I am, I'm cooking, I'm preparing things. In my mind, this room back here, the family room, is perfect. It's segregated from the kitchen. My kids are in here, they're safe, they're watching TV, they're doing their thing, and I'm in here cooking and I'm not worried about them. They can't go out running out the front door. Likewise, I think of my husband. He comes home, he wants to turn on the TV, be fed his dinner, and I put him in this like modern day man cave, and I don't have to worry about it. So that's what I love, and I think this kitchen is just phenomenal, dual sinks and beautiful built-in range. So how do you see it, Robin?
This would actually work a couple of ways for me. So if I am gonna cook it, it's not my natural thing. So I don't want anyone watching me while I do it.
I guess
so, you know, because I want everything to look perfect, and I'm gonna be stressed, right? So I need people away from me, and then come in when it's all perfect.
So from a design perspective, this blue, the pop of blue that you see in the cabinetry is something that I dressed it up fun. This, you know, it's a family house in my mind, the way that I saw it, and that's just probably coming from my perspective. So I made it fun, I brought in lots of colors, I made it vibrant, but as easily it could be toned down with some neutrals, and then it's very elegant, classy for professional functions, charity functions.
We have 2 more levels. Let's take a quick look at those while you guys are here.
So this was actually a challenge for me with this house. I came in and I thought, okay, well, the size of it, the location near the beach, the funness of it, I felt like this was a family house. And so I wanted to do the back bedrooms for kids, but I thought, well, it's so far from the master because you do have this long hallway.
That's actually the selling point of the house for me.
So let's look at the bedrooms. Yeah, I felt like there was a family in here, but I also see your perspective, and I think this house would absolutely be perfect for, you know, young professionals or, you know, people that have older children, maybe even in college, and there's so much room for them to come back and
my family
have their own space.
They're from the Midwest, so when they visit, they visit. Like they come with
That's
3
awesome.
suitcases, right?
And they move in.
They move in for at least, you know, they're here for a month. So I definitely need their own space, but they also need to feel at home.
Yeah.
So this is my favorite room, and Ed knows, because I'm so picky, one of my requirements is a master must have 2 exits.
Interesting.
And I love having a fireplace.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so I need to feel like a hotel room. Yeah, and I want to be, in case it does get a little loud down there, I want to be able to get out of here without anybody noticing. So I might just jump overboard.
Then
the bathroom, oh my gosh.
The master bath is stunning.
I love the way you walk through the closet. But yeah, here's your spa that you were talking about.
This is my spa. Yeah, I don't have to leave. Yeah, that's what I need to a master bedroom. I
The
need
lines
to feel
are
the spot.
really clean, but it has this elegant feel to it at the same time.
This house feel, I mean, when you're in this master suite, you feel like you are in a hotel. You don't even feel like you're that connected to the rest of the house.
This is where my mom would be
She
her.
move in.
Yes. So I would put her down here and she would spend hours and it would just be perfect for her.
Yeah, so I see this as like a ruckus room. You know, I designed it so that it's comfortable, spacious. I don't usually stage with TVs, but obviously the TV would go right here. You know, tons of room.
The way you spoke of it, it sounds like either one of you could be very happy here.
Absolutely.
I think we could do maybe a bidding war. Robin, thank you for coming through, and Amber coming through again. Amazing work you really did in this house, and for bringing, I think, a different picture to how people can really see this house and how it lives. And for you watching, I hope you were able to see that as well. But to see it in real life, come on down, take a look at 409 3rd Street here in Manhattan Beach before it's gone.